Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how you can edit this Mailchimp template in your Mailchimp. Now I am in my Mailchimp, so follow my instructions how you can edit this template. So if you edit this template, you can use it again and again by changing your content like text, image and the other stuff in this template. So let's go and let's start. Then first of all I will click to more options, then I will click to the edit template. If I click it, a visual editor will be open in your computer. So here is the content that I have created and designed and I put it in Mailchimp. So all of this template and all of the content you can edit. So you can edit existing text, you can delete the sections, you can add the sections, everything. So if you want something like you want to add a picture under this text, so then you can click to the image icon, then drag it and drop under the text, and then you just browse your images and it will be in your template. So here it is. So you can use it as your image, and you can delete this image, you can change this image, just replace and you browse and you can change this image. So it is fully visible editor and it is very easy. You can change all the text, all the informations and all the images and links and the text from the button. So this is fully editable and it is also mobile responsive and Mailchimp supported email template. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will help you how you can edit this template and how you can use this template again and again. So I am not a native English language person, maybe there is some error in my English, so please forgive these errors. Thank you so much for watching this video and good night from here.
Guess who just got hired? My awesome new personal assistant who knows everything about me. Just ask about my skills, my services, and the best part, it's available 24/7, ready when you are. Shoot a message, let me know how it goes.